Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. John here. So Black Friday, I love it. Every year I make a steal on tools. Last year I got this Dewalt tough system. It's absolutely phenomenal. To my right, 2.0. Okay, I did it. I went and got a 2.0 system, but it's not for me. Behind me I've got another deal, but hey, the clock is ticking. You got till Wednesday. I'm not sponsored. I don't get paid by Home Depot, but I just want to share the savings with you. So if you go to the Home Depot website right here, check it out. For $199, you get a battery set and then you get a bare tool. Down here for the Tough System 2.0, $149 while supplies last. You better hurry, they're going quick like hotcakes. From here down, $149.99. Each of these, 20 bucks. Behind me is the best deal on tools you can get. All right, I bought all these tools individually over time and I spent way more than what these are. Got the Dewalt 5-piece combo kit. This is an awesome kit. With it, you get a drill, you get an impact driver, you get a 6.5-inch circular saw, which is great, a cutoff tool, which you can use everywhere, and then, of course, a sander. Sander is phenomenal. You're not tripping over cords or anything else while you're sanding down furniture or other projects. So this is probably by far the best tool kit you can get on the market right now for $299.99. You could start your own business basically with this kit, and then I'm going to show you what else I picked up today. All right, so let's talk Dewalt Tough System. So for the Dewalt Tough System, we've got on top here for $20 a piece. All you gotta do is push those in, they unlock. These little cases here are extremely handy. Nuts, bolts, screws, whatever you have, put those in there. So there's two of these. Now the only issue with the 2.0, and what I don't like about my 1.0 is they won't clip on. So you have to have the 2.0 in order to use this kit right here. All right, let's see what else we got. So once again, Tough System 2.0 versus 1.0. The clips, you saw how easy that was. On the sides here, you've got to pull them down. And then you can unload. Other difference, handles right here. These pop up. These handles, they pop up too. It's like a Jeep latch on hood. Hasn't changed since 1940. So once again, a little tough box. Now, I think they're about the same grade. I will say, a little bit of experience I've had with these since the store, sometimes clipping them on. As you can see, these rock quite a bit. That one's not going anywhere. So that's a little bit of difference with the 2.0. It's got a little bit more flexibility because of the latch system. Let's pull that off. All right, let's get down here to the bottom. All right, I don't think I put anything in here. So this one is a top case. It's pretty cool. Get inside. This is an upgrade. The other system I've got, they roll around in here. So you get a couple of these storage organizers for bits, tools, bolts, whatever your quick use stuff is. The small kit usually stays on top. The only downside to the 2.0 system is if you're a contractor, I've seen other videos out there where they have issues sliding these into their van racks or their wall racks and they've got to do some modification. So if that's the case and you're a contractor and you want to get the wall rack for your van, hopefully DeWalt will come out with a 3.0 or the 1.0 fully locks in, or you can modify your rack or modify the box in order to let these slide in. Now let's go down to the base. The base is different. So once again, on the pull tabs, they're not that bad. Once they get broken in, they're pretty easy to remove. Now they are interchangeable. So I can take a 2.0 box and I can put it on the 1.0 system, or vice versa. I can take a 1.0 box, I can drop it onto the 2.0 system and it locks in. So interchangeable, good to go on DeWalt for doing that, because not a lot of companies will do that. That's why I think DeWalt is a superior tool brand across the board. That and most of this stuff is made in the USA. Now let's talk about changes to the base box. So we pop that off. All right, so you can see side by side, hinges unlock. Here's a close-up of the flaps. These can be tricky if you forget to open them and lock them down. This one has a handle. This one has an added feature for the Tough System, so you can use these boxes here. And that's on every single one of their boxes. Slap it in and you're good to go. It's tight to your lid. Push it, release it, take it to your job. let's talk stands. This one rocks to lift. This one push to the lower and lift. On the back side, so one of the problems with the 1.0 is actually putting your foot on the stand. If you look at the back side of the stand here, all you have is a rod. So the wheels are actually bigger on the 2.0 system too, so that's different. Also, this handle rocks with the bottom box, which can make opening the top boxes a little bit difficult. So what else did we get on Black Friday for our deals? Let's spin this around and take a look. So I told you right here, we got the 5-piece tool combo kit. We got the drill, the impact driver, the saw, the cutoff tool, and the sander, which are great tools. But what else did we get in here? All right, another great deal, $199.99. You buy this battery pack. Now this is a great deal too. So you're getting a 6 amp hour battery and a 4 amp hour battery. That's 10 total hours runtime depending on what tool you use. Additionally, what usually costs $199 is a tool I don't have yet. It is a router. And I know somebody that really likes a router. Hopefully she'll get good use out of it. On top of that, you got a drill, so you gotta have drill bits, and then you got an impact driver. I keep telling people, if you have an impact driver, you can do almost everything you can that a drill can do. These are special impact driver bits, so you don't have to swap back and forth. You've got your adapters, so you can use sockets. You've got wood bits, you've got smaller drill bits, you've got just about every single little piece that you need in order to do your project. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll let you take a closer look at this. Once again, battery combo, you don't have to buy the router. You can buy other Bear tools that they have listed, $199.99. Each of these Dewalt tools, a Bear tool, can range anywhere from $100 to $200. The router is at the high end of that at $199, so that was absolutely free. You're definitely getting $200 worth of batteries with this combo kit. With your standard combo, I still think the absolute best deal out there between Lowe's, Home Depot, and the big box stores is this kit right here. If you want a sander so you can sand down your projects, if you want to be able to cut wood, if you want to be able to have a multi-tool and get in to where you need to go, this is a great tool combo. Just to put it in perspective, the drill and the impact driver, typically a $200 combo. The sander, $100 plus for the Bear tool. I think I got it on sale last year on Black Friday. Mine for $119 as a Bear tool special on Black Friday. Also, you get this cutoff tool. Bear tool alone, usually about $150. Each one of these tools individually can range between $199 and $299, so you're getting a killer deal on this kit. With that being said, hey, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you would, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and when you subscribe, make sure you ring the bell so you get the notifications and keep coming back for more. Once again, you guys get to see me live my dream, but the true purpose of this channel is to motivate you to get out there and start building your dreams.